Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Polo TL 1.0 M5F 65 HP in sleek grey. This hatchback is the perfect combination of style and efficiency. With a powerful 1-litre engine and manual transmission, this Polo is sure to impress on the road. Loaded with comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and cruise control, this Polo will make every journey a breeze. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. This Polo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Contact us today at michaelmoore.ie for more information on this amazing Volkswagen Polo. Upgrade your driving experience with the 2019 Polo TL 1.0 M5F 65 HP. You won't be disappointed.